The critical question is how to make democracy successful. As it was pointed out, we qualify democracies. We have suddenly called liberal democracies. We are qualifying it. It shows that we have a variety of democracies. There are liberal ones, whatever definition you give to them, but there are also illiberal ones. The challenge is for a democracy to succeed, it has to truly represent the people. Now, how to achieve it? From the Indian experience, I can say that democracies do not, cannot, will not succeed by the effort of the democratic governments alone. You need a particular ethic in the society, particular value system, particular culture has to be nurtured in that society. Otherwise, you give democracy to a given country, take it from me, Osama bin Laden posthumously can become the president. You need to nurture a value system in that society. And governments, even if elected through democratic processes, will not be interested. They will be interested in illiberal nature of the democracy, where you have all the control, the elected has all the control. So there need to be many more institutions in place for a democracy to succeed. That's where I supplement what Mona is saying. Think tanks is one institution which is needed to strengthen the democratic spirit in the society. But in India's case, we have had democratic institutions for millennia at the society level. They have nurtured that spirit in the society. That is why many countries in the West, when they opted for democracies, they started with limited populations having the right to vote. Whereas our first constitution has given right to vote to, it was an adult franchise. Every Indian, irrespective of education, because there was a reference to education, we need education, democratic education, right. But we have given right to every adult to vote. Yet we produced a successful democracy because we have other institutions that have built that culture in the society, which can sustain democracies, make them succeed, make them flourish, and if there is any challenge, society is willing to take on that challenge and restore democracies. We have had a 2-year phase of illiberal, non-democratic system in our government, in our country. People have restored democracy back because we have nurtured that democratic spirit, ethic in the society. I think that is very crucial in the success of any democracy.
Understood.